Hi mga kasi warriors, for today's video is kwentuhan time tayo. I'm on my bed right now and it's my break time. Ang work ko for today is 6:30 ng umaga hanggang 11:30 and then babalik ako ng 4 to 5 in the afternoon. Magbe-break ako ng 30 minutes at babalik ulit ako ng main dining ng 5:30 ng hapon until 10:30 ng gabi. Sa umaga magwo-work ako sa buffet. Ang tawag dun sa aming restaurant is The Garden Cafe. And then afternoon, ganun ulit, buffet ulit. And then sa evening, I will work in the main dining room. Ang pangalan po ng aming restaurant is Indigo Restaurant. At bali po for today, ang work ko is 11 hours. And that's it. Thank you. Bye!